Welcome back to MATLAB. In today's video, we are going to solve for x equation example using replace number reasoning for 10 plus 10 multiplied with 11 plus 10 multiplied with 11 at the second power plus 10 multiplied with 11 at the third power plus until we have 10 multiplied with 11 at the power of 2010 equals with x at the power of 2011 minus 1. But first, hit the subscribe button in the video corner for more math solutions for you to find on this channel. As I said before, I'm going to use in this example the method of replace number equation. And basically, I'm going to replace 10 with 11 minus 1. Results now. A new equation. We have 11 minus 1 multiplied with 11 minus 1 multiplied with 11 plus 11 minus 1 multiplied with 11 at the second power plus 11 minus 1 multiplied with 11 at the third power until we have 11 minus 1 multiplied with 11 at the power of 2010 equals with x at the power of 2011 minus 1. This algebra equality is equivalent with 11 minus 1 plus 11 at the second power minus 11 plus 11 at the third power minus 11 at the second power plus 11 at the fourth power minus 11 at the third power plus until we have 11 at the power of 2011 minus 11 at the power of 2010 equals with x at the power of 2011 minus 1. Now, how we can find the range of possible values for x? Results in here that we have 11 at the power of 2011 minus 1 equals with x at the power of 2011 minus 1. Now I have an easy equation problem, meaning that x at the power of 2011 equals with 11 at the power of 2011. Results now, the solution is more than obvious that x equals with 11. This solve for x equation with answer is an algebraic equation solve for x grade 8. Hope you succeed understand mathematics more through this mathematical equation explained in here. And hit the subscribe button to see you tomorrow again. Thank you.